Your online activity is being tracked, whether it be the government, hackers, or your internet provider. Now, if you're in crypto, your sensitive information, financial information, could be at risk, and it is at risk. However, what if I told you there is something that you can do about it? There is a way that you can remain anonymous and keep those tracks clear from being tracked. Now, we're going to get into that here in this video, about the importance of using a VPN, especially if you are in crypto. Imagine the internet as a bustling city, teeming with people and activity. You wouldn't walk around with your diary wide open, broadcasting your deepest secrets, right? It would be reckless and unsafe. That's essentially what you're doing without a VPN. Your personal information is exposed to anyone who might be watching. A VPN, or virtual private network, is like a digital disguise. It masks your online identity, making it harder for others to track you. It creates a secure tunnel for your internet traffic, shielding your online activity from prying eyes and potential threats. Think of it as a secret passageway through the bustling city, keeping your journey and destination private. No one can see where you're going or what you're doing. Instead of your data being sent directly from your device, it takes a detour through the VPN's encrypted tunnel. This detour ensures that your data is protected. This makes it incredibly difficult for anyone to snoop on your online activity, steal your data, or track your movements. Hackers and cyber criminals are kept at bay. It's like sending your diary through a super secure courier service instead of just leaving it out in the open. Your information is handled with care and protected. Essentially, a VPN adds an extra layer of security and privacy to your online life, allowing you to browse, download, and share information without constantly looking over your shoulder. You can use the internet with peace of mind. It's like having a bodyguard for your data in the wild west of the internet. Your personal information is guarded, giving you the freedom to explore the digital world safely. Now let's talk about NordVPN, a top choice for crypto investors. NordVPN offers enhanced security for transactions, protection on public Wi-Fi, and a strict no-logs policy. With NordVPN, you can bypass geo-restricted exchanges and enjoy fast, secure access to your crypto platforms. In today's digital age, privacy and security are necessities. With the increasing amount of time we spend online, safeguarding our personal information has never been more critical. Every time you connect to the internet, you leave a digital footprint. This footprint can reveal a lot about you, from your browsing habits to your personal preferences. A VPN masks your IP address, making your online actions more anonymous and secure. This is especially important on public Wi-Fi networks, which are often unsecured and vulnerable to attacks. A VPN also encrypts your internet traffic, turning your data into a code that can only be deciphered by the intended recipient. And let's not forget about freedom. The internet should be a place where you can explore and access information freely. A VPN allows you to bypass restrictions by masking your IP address, giving you access to content that might otherwise be blocked. When it comes to online privacy and security, a VPN is essential. NordVPN stands out with its AES 256 encryption, ensuring your sensitive data stays protected. Cryptocurrency is revolutionizing the financial world, offering a decentralized and secure way to manage your assets. The potential for growth is immense, but so are the risks. Your online activity can be a neon sign to hackers who are constantly on the lookout for vulnerabilities. A VPN encrypts your connection, making you invisible to these digital bandits. Accessing your crypto wallet on an unsecured network is like shouting your bank details in a crowded room. A VPN ensures your transactions remain private and secure. It also helps you bypass geo-restrictions, giving you access to global markets. For crypto investors, NordVPN is a perfect match, protecting you from surveillance and third-party tracking. Without a VPN, crypto investors are at risk. Hackers can easily intercept your data on public Wi-Fi, and your online activities can be tracked. Public Wi-Fi networks, while convenient, are often unsecured, making them a hacker's paradise. Every time you log into your exchange account or access your crypto wallet on an unsecured network, you're essentially broadcasting your financial information to anyone within range. And let's not forget about tracking. Your internet service provider can see everything you do online, including your crypto transactions. They can then sell this data to advertisers, or worse, hand it over to government agencies. NordVPN provides the security and privacy you need to protect your investments. Its AES 256 encryption and no logs policy ensure your sensitive data stays safe. If you're ready to get serious about investing in crypto, you need a reliable VPN. NordVPN offers enhanced security for transactions, protection on public Wi-Fi, and fast, secure access to your crypto platforms. With NordVPN, you can trade, hold, and interact with DeFi platforms with confidence. Protect your investments and enjoy peace of mind with NordVPN. Also, if you did find value in this content, smash that like button, drop me a comment, and if you're not yet subscribed, well then click subscribe and hit the notification bell. By doing so, you're not just staying informed, you're taking proactive steps to secure your financial future in the digital age. Remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is power, and security is non-negotiable. Stay safe, stay informed, and happy investing.